Welcome. If Snapchat keeps pinging you with unread chat reminders and it's starting to feel a bit much, you're not alone. The good news is you can easily silence those specific notifications on your Android device without turning off everything else. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and head into your main settings. This is where all your system-level controls live. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. This section shows every app installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list. You can either scroll or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps. Tap on Snapchat to open its app settings. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where Android lets you customize exactly what kind of alerts you receive from the app. Instead of turning everything off, we're going to fine-tune one specific type. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This option breaks down Snapchat notifications into smaller groups, so you can control each one individually. Scroll through the list until you find Unread Chat Reminder. This is the one responsible for those repeated nudges when you haven't opened a message. Tap on Unread Chat Reminder, and you'll see a few options. What you want to do is select Silent. This keeps the notification active but removes the sound and vibration, so it won't interrupt you anymore. And that's it. You'll still get the reminder quietly in your notification panel, but without the constant noise or disruption. This is a great way to stay in control of your notifications without missing anything important. If you found this helpful, you can explore other notification categories in the same menu to customize Snapchat even further.